You need to do this, students. It's important. Remember, when we grow up, I will be an interior, not you, you will be an interior designer. Any profession you will do, you need to know these things. Or maybe you have siblings in your life. You will tell them something no teacher will tell them. You will tell them that this exists, why? What is the name of this triangle? Because this is all in our syllabus. We don't connect. We need to connect this knowledge, students. Last 10 seconds. I just now told you two sides are equal, then the triangle is called isosceles and one angle is 90 degrees. So it's a right isosceles triangle, right, students? You will not get these learning. Remember, students. And this will make you a different, better student from others. Not only students, 15 centimeters equals to how much? I told you something. This is again a coin quiz, all the best. 15 centimeters is equal to how much? You need to tell the students, tell me. 15 centimeters is equal to how much, students, tell me. Now, you know answer is in your hands. Why, students? I'll tell you. Now everyone is feeling like, sir, how? I don't know 15 centimeters is equal to how much? No one told me. Students, observe around you. Last 10 seconds. Everyone with the wrong answer. Be calm. Look at your geometry box. Answer is in front of you. Look at your geometry box. Can you see? One side is 15 centimeter, other side is 6 inch. That means 15 centimeters is equal to 6 inch. Makes sense? This is nothing. This is something which is in front of your eyes in your geometry box. What I told you, one side of the ruler is 15 centimeter. Other side is 6 inch. What that means? Both the sides are equal, obviously. This one. So I can say 15 centimeter is equal to 6 inch. You really not to learn that how to convert inch into centimeter. You get to know, students. You get this, my dear team? Yes? So we are done with the level 1. We are moving to the second level, students. But you told me the wrong answer. You told me the wrong answer. Makes me angry. It's okay. Now, students, let's go to the second level. Ready? Ready, students? All ready, my dear team? Now, 15 centimeter is equal to 6 inch because both the sides of the ruler are equal, right? Both the sides of the ruler are equal. Now, students, we will go into the detail of this ruler. We'll go into the detail of this ruler. So, what I want to say, to measure any line segment, we need it. To measure any line segment, we need it. And how to learn to read it, it's an important skill. Everyone should learn. Now, students, you know what we do? This is a line segment, right? This is a small part of a line. And what is the symbol? I have taught you all this. Let's say we write M, A, and draw a line. That means if I write just this, if I just write this, that means I am talking about line segment. I have taught this, right, students? I have taught this in geometry. Today, we are going to learn how to measure it. How to measure it. And you know we will use ruler. Students, be calm. It's an important point. Now, what happens is, if you look at your ruler, everyone look at your ruler. Keep it in your hands whenever I am holding something in my hands. It's important. Now, students, if you look at this, there is some part which is empty in your ruler. Can you see? Before 0, there is some part which is empty. Now, this is a mistake many students do. Whenever you have to measure any line segment, how to measure it? Measuring line segment. How do you measure it? Listen. Place the ruler along the line segment. Let's say there is a line. You will place the ruler along the line segment. I'll do it. Everything we will do it together. We will draw together. Last 15 minutes we'll do it. Place the ruler along the line segment. This is green part is important. The 0 mark of the ruler should coincide with one endpoint. Line segment have 2 endpoints. So you should keep it here at 0. What happens is we keep it here because that is not 0. That is just extra part so that you don't make mistake. Or if your ruler get weird, not weird, weird. Weird means it gets something by using it again and again. This edges or this corners will be weird. So what will happen? You cannot measure the correct length. So we keep a gap. Now many times we have a doubt. Why there is a gap? so that if your ruler is weary, with time things wear out. So if it wears out, still you will be finding the right length. Read the mark on the ruler on the other end and you will get the length. Let me show you an example. Let's say there is a line segment. Can you see? This is a line segment go. So what you did, you kept one end at G. G is your 0 and other is at 4. Now that means this is of length 4 centimeter. That means this is of length 4 centimeter. Now students, look at your ruler again. I'm just going to show you centimeter side. Inside we are not going to talk about. Can you see there are long markings? 1 centimeter long marking, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. There are long markings. 15 long markings we have. So I'm talking about these one. I'll color them, show you. These one, students. 0. These are long markings. Can you see? These are long markings. I'm not talking about this one. I'm not talking about the middle one. No. Just the longer one. The longest one you can say. Just the longer one. It tells you exact length. When I keep something at the longer one, it tells you the exact length. Like if I talk about what is the length of this. First of all, your one end should be at 0. Another, can you see where it is? At 6. No, 5. Can you tell me what is the length of this go? What is the length of go? 5 centimeter. You get the point. This is easy. This is easy. The length is 5 centimeter. Now students, comes the important part. Short markings. Everyone, short marking tells you decimal part. After this, we are going to draw. We are going to draw together. I'm ready for that. There are short markings. Short markings tells you the decimal part. Now students, can you count how many short markings are there? Can you count how many short markings are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm calling all are the short markings. Short markings mean the marking which exists between the long markings are called short markings. So students, they tell you in the decimal part, like this is, what is the length of my? My is a line segment. So can you see this is at 0 and where it is? This is at here. This is here. Now students, every single small marking gives you 0.1 centimeter. Now can you see how many short markings are there after 4? It's coming here. The second shorter marking after 4. So what is the length? 4.2 centimeter. So there are 2 short markings. Sorry, it is at 3. Just let me see. Sorry. Let me see. It is at 2 students. No, it is at 4. 2. So 4.2. 4.2.